Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the core check so fixes actually work. Update TikTok now, because old builds cause latency. Once updated, fully restart your phone to clear audio buffers. Make sure you close any other apps that use microphone or Bluetooth audio, since simultaneous access delays sound. Then open Settings and confirm TikTok has microphone and speaker permissions. Without them, the app may fall back to software mixing, which introduces delay. These steps prevent simple causes before deeper fixes. Now you handle routing and recording because mismatched inputs create lag. First, turn Bluetooth off. Bluetooth codecs can add 100 plus ms. Use the phone speaker or a wired headset for consistent latency. In the TikTok editor, select original sound or manually resync the audio track by sliding until lips and waveform match. If audio still lags, clear app cache and toggle the camera and mic settings inside TikTok to force reinitialization of hardware drivers and reduce. Finish by validating and rescuing your clip. Record a short test and watch the waveform while playing the backing audio to confirm sync. If aligned, re-record your full take. If delays persist across tests, reinstall TikTok to reset deeper configs, and try the same account on another phone to isolate device issues. As a troubleshooting tip, convert your audio to 1 kHz or 48 kHz and re-import. Mismatched sample rates often cause subtle delays, so resampling can fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.